Area as integral. To find the area under the curve y equal to fx between x equals to a and x equal to b, integrate y equal to fx between the limits of a and b. Recommended steps: 1. Sketch the area. 2. Determine the boundaries a and b. 3. Set up definite integral. Then 4. You have to integrate. Find the area bounded by the line x plus y equal to 4 and the coordinate axis. Solve by using geometry. A equal to 1/2 bh. Then integral using horizontal element. Then integral using vertical strip. So for letter A, area equals to 1/2 bh. But your base here equals to, when x equals to 0, y equals to 4. So yung y is equal to 4. The same thing as y equal to 0, x equals to 4. So this one is 4. Base is 4. H is 4. So area equals to 1/2 4 times 4, or equals to 16 or 8. So this is using the area equal to 1/2 bh. For the letter B, using horizontal strip. So this one is the horizontal strip. This one. This one is your rectangle. The small element area DE equals to this side is x, and this one is dy. So this one is your x, this one is your dy. So your DE is simply equals to the x times dy. Integrating both sides, you get one a equal to the integral of x dy. But your x equals to 4 minus y. So equals to integral of 4 minus y dy. Or simply equals to integral of 4 y minus y squared all over 2 so this one no longer integration, so all over 2 limit from this one 0 to 4, yung y is 0 up to this 4, so equivalent to 4, substitute yung button 4 minus 4 square all over 2, of course, minus 0. So that one equivalent to 16 minus 8. So this one is 8. Using vertical element. So that one, this one, vertical element is this one, y, and that one dx. So this one is y, this one is dx. So dE equals to y times dx. So a equal to integral of y dx. But y is equals to 4 minus x. So area equals to y squared or y Then substitute the value of y. Then y equal to the integral of 4 minus x dx. So the limit here should be this one, 0 to 4. So we have to limit 0 to 4, equivalent to 4x minus x squared over 2. That one is 0 to 4, or equal to 4 times 4 minus 4 squared all over 2. So that one minus, of course, 0, equals to 16 minus 8, or equivalent to 8. Find the area bounded by the parabola y equal to x squared from x equal to 0 to x equal to 4 by horizontal element, B, vertical strip method. So this one first is using the horizontal element. So solution, first horizontal element. So we have that one, dE from the figure, dE equals to 4 minus x times dy, where x equals to square root of y. So dE equals to 4 minus square root of y dy. So integrating both sides, your A equals to the integral of 0 to 16, 4 minus square root of y dy, or equivalent to 4y minus y to the power 3 over 2 there, 0 to 16. Substitute values, 4 times 16 minus 16 to the power 3 over 2 over 3 over 2 minus 4 times 0 minus 0 to the power 3 all over 2 over 3 all over 2, first parenthesis there. So simplify it one, 64 all over 3. Vertical element method. So this one is 4. This one is 404, and this one is 416. So we have this one, dE equals to y dx. This one is your dx, this one is your y. So y equals to x squared. So your dE equals to x squared dx. Integrating of that one, E equals to integral of 0 to 4 x squared dx. or simply your A equals to x cubed over 3, limit from 0 to 4, or equals to 4 cubed over 3 minus 0 cubed over 3, equivalent to 64 all over 3. So this one, find the area bounded by the curve x squared equals to 9 minus y on the x-axis. So this one is the curve. This one curve is x squared equals to 9 minus y. So this one is 0, 9. This one is 3, 0. This one is minus 3, 0. So DE equals to x dy. So this one is for letter A, or equivalent to square root of 9 minus y dy equals to 9 minus y to the power 1/2 dy, or A equals to 2 integral of 0 to 9 minus y power 1/2 dy, or equals to 2 times 9 minus y 3/2 all over 3/2. So you have that 1 minus 1, or equivalent to minus 2 times 2 over 3 times 9 minus y to the power 3/2, limit from 0 to 9, or equivalent to minus 4/3, minus 4 over 3, 9 minus y, 9 minus y to the power 3/2, limit from 0 to 9, equivalent to minus 4/3 times 9 minus 9 to the power 3/2 minus that one minus 4/3, 9 minus 0 to the power 3/2, or this one equivalent to 0 plus 4/3 square root of 9 cube, or that one becomes 36. So by vertical strip can have that one This one is your dx. This one is your y. That one is 3, 0. That one is minus 3, 0. That one is 0, 9. So DE, letter B, DE equals to y dx. Here, A equal to the integral of 9 minus x squared dx. Since symmetry, you have that one, you have times to area equals to 2 times integral of 0 to 3 9 minus x squared dx equals to 2 9x minus x cubed over 3 limit from 0 to 3, or equivalent to area equals to 2 times 9 times 3 minus 3 cubed all over 3, then minus 0. So this one equivalent to 2 times 27 minus, you have that one 3 squared minus 9. So equivalent to 36. So find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x squared and y equal to 4. So this was the curve y equal to x squared. This one is y equals to x squared. This one is y equal to 4, the line. This one is 0, 0. This one is your x. This one is your dy. So, points of intersection. Letter A by horizontal method. No? Horizontal. Solving first the intersection. Y equals to x squared. 4 equals to x squared. X equals to plus and minus 2. So this one is by horizontal method. So DE equals to 2x dy. Since symmetry, so x equals to square root of y. So DE equals to 2 square root of y dy, or A equals to 2 integral from 0 to 4 y to the power 1/2 dy. So equals to 2 y to the power 3/2 over 3/2, limit from 0 to 4. So equivalent to 2 times 2/3 times 4 to the power 3/2. Then of course minus 0. So this one equivalent to 8 times 4 all over 3, or equivalent to 32 over 3. 32 over 3. So this one is by vertical. So this one DE equals to y dx. So equivalent to y sub L minus y sub parabola. Y of the line minus y of the parabola. So that one is dx. So equivalent to 4 minus x squared times dx. So area equals to integral of 4 minus x squared. This one is dx equals to 4x minus x cubed over 3 minus 2 into the equals to 4 times 2 minus 2 cubed over 3 minus that one is 4 minus 2 minus 2 cubed over 3. So equivalent to 32 over 3.